So I was like sleeping because I just had a huge headache. But it is Tuesday. I woke up early and everything. But I received a rug, which is freaking cute. I was gonna get a white one, but I decided no, because you know it will get dirty more easily than this one. So because my room has a little bit of grayish tones in it, we're gonna do the gray. I'm just waiting for the mirror, which is coming on Friday, and then I'm going to order some certain things because I am going to finish this wall, which I did order the Polaroid printers, and then Friday I'm going to order the Polaroid films so I can, you know, do this wall, which I'm going to do the Dark Academy aesthetic for this wall, but I was going to put it like big, bold film, but I decided just to do like the Polaroid theme, make it a theme right there. But I want to see how the mirror looks on Friday, so I can see if I should put like on the wall some like little flower pots, not like the little tiny full flower pots, but I know the plant is gonna go here and my guitar is gonna go right next to the thing to block out the little power tower that I ordered also. And I'm still don't know what I'm gonna buy for the little pot, like the little tequila thing I have here. I was gonna get a flower, but then I want to do like branches vibe. I want to do the palm grass that I saw on the Sorry Girls channel. I have to double check what I'm gonna do, but this side is almost done and we're just gonna wait until Friday so we can, you know, get everything ready. And then Saturday I'm going to tackle the vanity to my dresser, clear some stuff up, and just organize everything. And probably by next Saturday we'll probably do a room tour, probably, because I still gotta do the shelf and I have to order some stuff for the shelf. So probably next Saturday or the prior Tuesday it will be a room tour. That's what I got it planned. But I'm gonna go make a snack, probably do like a salad like I did yesterday, and make some juice or just supplement. Oh, I gotta do the supplement that I got. And yeah, I'll see you guys probably Friday, because tomorrow and Thursday I have some certain things I have to do, priorities, and then I'll come back Friday. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. Well, I woke up earlier, but it's about to be afternoon right now. But I woke up around 9ish. I already did some breakfast, which I will be talking about my breakfast in a minute. But I got my mirror yesterday. Don't mind the mess because this is the area that I have to finish cleaning. But this is the full length mirror. I put some lights. There's gonna be vines on it, so that's cute. Here's the rug. I got a power station plug-in thing. It's really good because it has like around 8 plugins and it has like 5 of the USB, so it was easier to connect some stuff. And since I'm gonna put my guitar in front of it, it's not gonna be too noticeable. But I just finished today cleaning my window area. I got my 2 favorite toys, not toys, like stuffed animals I got in from family members that are special to me. So, and I got this little candle thing for my, I think it was my baptism or communion, so I leave it there. And then that's my bag full of other miscellaneous stuff. But I cleaned this whole area, which is freaking dusty. I literally cleaned this a couple of days ago, like not a couple of days, like a month ago, and literally it's dusty again. So New York tends to bring a lot of dust a lot. And I'm probably gonna get like a professional AC cleaner person to come in and clean my AC from the inside out, because I tried, but I'm kind of allergic to dust and the dust particles. I was just sneezing up a storm, so I'm gonna let somebody do that. But now I'm just going to wait for my plant, which is coming, and then later on during the day, because I'm gonna rest a little bit, just do this whole area where the vanity is and my dresser is. I already established that on top of my dresser I'm gonna keep it the way it is, but also put like my art supplies, which I already have some of the stuff up here, and that is don't mind my cup. I was drinking water. This is like my go-to cup. So I literally have right here my gouache paint, my watercolor paint, my acrylic big studio paint, then my brushes, then my pencils, my mechanical pencils, my regular pencils, and my markers or pens, as you can say, my setting one. And then my mom got me a green studio one because I needed a green. So this will probably just be my art station. I still have to organize this art, all these art stuff, because I did get this brand new set from that Artesia for the skin tone collection they have, but I don't know where I'm going to put it. If I'm going to put it up here, organize that up there for it, I don't know yet. But I only have literally to do this area, and I think I'm just gonna put this cleaning this area in this vlog, and then we're gonna call it a day. But this is how the little front area looks so far. It looks amazing. I am obsessed. Oh, and I did put the pictures up. I need more tape to put for the little Polaroids. I did get a Polaroid printer. It's easier for me to get just print my pictures that I like from Pinterest and just stick it up there. And I will be, if you guys want to know who these pictures come from, I will put my Pinterest board in the description below, and you can check these beautiful pictures from these beautiful people who took them. They're amazing. Go check them out. But this is how it is. I like the black one, so I'm going to do the black version and then the white version, mix it up in both. I'm going to take this picture so I can fold this area with the Polaroids. But that's about it for right now. You see, I sound like a little stuffy. That's because of the freaking dust that it was here. I did spray some Lysol, because you know your girl got to stay with clear, healthy air. And I think I'm going to put my humidifier so it can help a little bit more. But that's what I got so far, and probably by next Saturday I will get to finish and give you guys a official room tour, because that's basically my goal for right now, just to give you a room tour. I just want to finish so bad, so bad. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in a second, and yeah. Okay guys, so it is around 10:30 something in the night, and I got my plan. I literally took a nap because I was so tired. But this is how the corner looks. Literally, this is the plant. It looks so nice, and it's gonna look better with the vines around it. But this is how it looks so far. I find it very beautiful. I love the fake plants to give it a little bit of color and stuff. So that's how it is going to look right now. And then I'm just gonna do this side like I said. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night because I do have to go to work tomorrow, and I'm going to just chill tomorrow because I have stuff coming on Monday and Tuesday to fix a lot of stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. See you tomorrow.